We're inside McGurk Alumni Stadium in Amherst, Massachusetts for UMass and FIU this afternoon in college football. Getting his first career FBS start. Third down across the middle. The pass is complete to the tight end, Adam Brenneman.
Here's the snap. Magoo facing pressure is hit. He fumbles the football back near the 30-yard line. Loose on the field, Deshaun Downey right in the face of Magoo. Boy, has he been brilliant this season.
And the handoff this time, nothing doing to Alex Gardner, and he is met strong in the line of scrimmage. High snap, Magoo's in trouble. A big play then, Tedrick Lowry made the hit on Magoo for the 10-yard loss. Converting, here comes the rush, and Magoo goes down. Wow. Lowry came in with the first bit of pressure and the first bit of contact, and Tedrick Lowry having himself a game already in the first quarter.
Second and 5, a shotgun snap from the 26. Ford steps back in the pocket, fires deep, right sideline, wide open Davis, hits him in the hands and caught. Touchdown, Jalen Williams. UMass scores on Andrew Ford's first college touchdown pass.
There's Gardner on the quick snap on the up-tempo offense, but UMass says they've got the ball, and they do!
That's what we do, baby! That's what we do! That's what we do!
The snap, Ford throws a fade down the left side for Isabella in the end zone, caught, touchdown, Andy Isabella, first of his career. Andrew Ford laid it out there perfectly.
Ford looks right side, caught, Jonah! Did he get a foot down? I think he did, he did! Andrew Ford, Brenneman, one-handed grab.
Center Ford takes the snap. He's going to bootleg left, throw to the end zone, left side, caught. Brenneman, touchdown. Adam Brenneman from Andrew Ford. It's his third touchdown pass of the day. The old high school teammates connect on a play-action pass. UMass leads 20-13.
Third down, pitch back. Young breaks a tackle, has the first down, and pushes the pile. Look at the pile go. Almost out to midfield.
Here's the snap. They'll run an option. Magoo gets out of a tackle, cuts upfield, loses the football, and it's Minutemen football. It's a fumble by Alex Magoo. Gravity recovers. UMass will have a win.
Stay together, get your mind off the football, take care of one another tonight. Enjoy it. Yeah. Enjoy it. We'll be back tomorrow. Hell of a job all the way through, all three phases. Hey. Max, 1, 2, 1, 2. Max.